Top 5 apps like Digistore.com review that actually work today. If you're looking to make money online, you know how overwhelming it can be to find trustworthy affiliate platforms. Most people get this wrong, but several apps give you reliable tools for selling digital products today. First, ClickBank. It's one of the largest affiliate networks, offering thousands of products to promote. Their app makes tracking commissions, clicks, and sales fast and easy, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Second is Chevzu. This platform focuses on software and digital products with instant affiliate approvals. Its app gives you analytics and real-time sales tracking, helping you optimize campaigns efficiently. Number 3 is Shariasal. With a strong reputation, Shariasal provides affiliates access to both digital and physical products. Their mobile app lets you monitor performance and discover new merchants on the go. Fourth, Impact. Known for its powerful analytics, Impact lets you track affiliate performance across multiple campaigns. The app's dashboard is clean, giving you insights that improve earnings. Finally, Warrior Plus. This one is popular for internet marketing products, courses, and tools. Its app simplifies commission tracking and notifications for new offers, so you never miss a promotion opportunity. In conclusion, while Digistore.com is a solid option, these 5 apps give you flexibility, analytics, and proven products to grow your online income. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, these platforms make affiliate marketing more efficient and rewarding.